What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and in this video I will be styling my hair. I'm going to attempt to do a twist and curl, or my rendition of a twist and curl, my version of a twist and curl. I've seen different twist and curl videos. I don't think I have enough perm rods to do it, so I'm going to use flexi rods. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this size or this size. Don't ask me what size they are, but one is just a little bit bigger than the other. I feel like if I just had my regular hair texture down, it would be more like this. But since I'm twisting my hair first and it's gonna be a little bit bigger, I think I'm gonna use this one. I don't know. We're just gonna see. We're just gonna try and see what happens. I don't know. You'll see. So if you want to see how I do my very first twist and curl, then just keep on watching. So far, detangle this. Then I'm going to 3-strand twist how I normally would. Okay, I think I'll stop here, and I'm gonna join these together, which is basically where my colored hair is, and I'm going in with the mousse on the ends. So now that I'm looking at my hair, I wasn't sure what color rod I wanted to do, but now that I'm looking at my hair and my twist, I'm gonna go in with this turquoise turquoise rod, and I'm gonna do like a spiral situation, and then I'm gonna lock her in. Put some foam on the ends. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to come in real quick and discuss some things that I think that I would do different when and if I do another twist and curl. The first thing, I think I would use my perm rods. I know I said that I didn't think I had enough, but after I twisted up my head, I really didn't have that many twists in my hair where I wouldn't have had enough perm rods. So one thing I think I would do is use perm rods, probably like the straw size perm rods or a size up from that. Nothing too much bigger than that, because I don't really like those big artificial curls that be on the end of some twist and curls. So that's the first thing. The second thing I think I would do different is use a lighter leave-in, or if I was to use the same type of leave-in, I would have to use a styler with a firmer hold, because neither one of the stylers that I used for this wash day had enough hold, especially the mousse. I really thought the mousse was gonna have a little bit more hold than it did, but it really was pretty non-existent on top of their leave-in that came in this line. So I would either have a lighter leave-in or a heavier styler, or both. I don't know. But also too, I think I would use maybe a gel, but that goes along with a heavier styler. So just forget I just said that. But yeah, those are the things that I think I would do different. I would do perm rods instead of flexi rods, and I would use a lighter leave-in or a heavier styler. But overall, I know y'all are probably gonna say it doesn't look that bad. I already know y'all are, but I don't like it, guys. I just didn't like it. But yeah, I'm just finishing rolling up my hair, and the results are coming soon after. Bye. So for some reason, I don't know what happened right here, but it kind of frizzed up. So I don't know. So I'm trying to figure out what I can do with my hair. Don't know. It's just so frizzy. And the more I mess with it, the more frizz I get. So these are my finished results, guys. I'm not really that crazy about it. I just seems like a whole lot of work for not very much definition. These products are just so moisturizing that, you know, I'm definitely getting moisture, but as far as like definition and hold, it's not there. But as far as the twist and curl goes, no. Y'all have seen me do flexi rod sets. Y'all have seen me do twist outs and all that. So for my hair to come out this frizzy, that's not typical for me. So I'm gonna try it again and do some things different. These are my results. Not really happy about the results, but I'm pleased with how my hair feels. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give it a thumbs down. Share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.